Pickup time here at Unique, especially in classics. Kind of a stock looking truck, 1961 Ford F100, two-wheel drive, regular cab Stepside. Gotta love that side mounted spare. A few spots in this one where it does show a little bit of its age in the paint, a couple spots where it's one of those drive it the way it is. If you want to spend just a few bucks on it, take it to the next level. Some of these things can be fixed up pretty easily. But it's kind of got that work truck look to it, I guess, if you like that. Otherwise, paint, I mean, it shows well. Majority of the truck. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, interior, engine bay, take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, you can call us 507-386-1726. Steel wheels, Ford wheel covers. Going for that authentic look. Underneath the hood, 223 cubic inch inline six. That's paired up with a manual transmission. Academy Blue V paint code. This truck looking still very similar to how it would have looked back in 1961 when it rolled off the Ford dealer's showroom floor. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the chrome in the rear. Bed. It's pretty solid. And once again, you'll be able to take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. We'll fire it up, let you hear it run too. Check out the engine bay. All right, peek at the interior. And a two-tone vinyl. The Academy Blue, kind of a gray highlight, light gray highlight. Exterior mounted spotlight. It's a very quiet running truck. When I moved a little bit ago, barely tell it's running. Starts right up. Got a little bit of paint peeling from the dash. That light that comes on is just generator light because of the low RPMs. If I speed up the RPMs, means the battery's charging. Idle goes down, that'll go off. Alright. Slip around his action here, let's run. How nicely that door closed. Tailpipe on this side. Listen to that purr. Let's slip up to the front. I want to pop this hood. Let you check out that engine bay. You'll be able to see a picture of the data tag that's in the glove box, in the still pictures, and probably close to 100 pictures of this truck online. Let me pause this a second. We'll get the hood open, wrap up this video. Look underneath the hood. 223 cubic inch. Inline six cylinder. Look at how smooth that runs. First like a kitten. Guess you'd call this a 1961 version of a cold air intake. Carbon top of there. Get your air cleaner, gonna breathe a little bit better. Quite the design. Intake and exhaust manifold. Very cool. 1961 Ford F100, two-wheel drive, regular cab, Stepside, Academy Blue. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1961 Ford F100. As you can see, it's winter in Minnesota, but the roads are dry, so we're able to do the driving video for you. This is showing 50 to 55 on the oil PSI. Speedometer is working. Fuel gauge is at a quarter. The temperature does not appear to work. It shows 115 right now. And it's warmed up, so it should be higher than that. Amps are showing 30. This truck has a neat little vintage guide lens here. This is a 3 on the tree. Works really good, shifts easy. Very original truck. Our wipers work. There isn't a radio that looks original. It does not work. This truck starts up and runs easy. It's quiet. We're getting some wind noise. It is cold outside today. It's a really good blue and white combo. Nice looking truck.